Hey editors, today I'm going to show you how you can achieve Topaz level quality even without using Topaz AI. And you can get the tools I'm going to use in this video from my Telegram channel. The link is in description. So without any further delay, let's get into it.
For the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the
When tomato my bed.